world of automotive engineering, few innovations have left as lasting an impact as Audi's Quattro system. Today, we dive into the heart of performance, exploring the groundbreaking technology that has redefined the driving experience, the Audi Quattro system. The Quattro system, born in the early 80s, was a game changer. Developed to conquer the demanding landscapes of rally racing, it soon found its way into Audi's production vehicles, forever altering the dynamics of driving. At its core, the Quattro system is an all-wheel drive technology that distributes power to all four wheels, enhancing traction, stability, and control. Unlike traditional systems that primarily operate in front-wheel drive, Quattro ensures power is sent to the wheels with the most grip. The Quattro system is all about delivering power where it's needed, when it's needed. It's a seamless fusion of performance and safety, giving drivers confidence in any driving condition. Whether it's rain, snow, or a sun-drenched highway, the Quattro system adapts to the road surface, providing optimal grip and control. This versatility is not only a game changer in daily commuting, but also elevates the driving experience to new heights. Audi's Quattro system isn't just about conquering adverse conditions. It's about delivering a thrilling and precise driving experience. The system continuously monitors various factors, including wheel speed, throttle input, and steering angle, making split-second adjustments to ensure optimal performance. From 0 to 60 in record time, the Quattro system maximizes power delivery, taking performance to the next level without compromising on safety. Over the years, the Quattro system has evolved, incorporating cutting-edge technology and innovations. From mechanical differentials to electronic systems, Audi's commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance was never wavered. The Quattro system is a testament to Audi's dedication to delivering unparalleled driving experiences. As technology advances, they continue to refine and enhance the Quattro system to stay ahead of the curve. In the world of automotive excellence, Audi's Quattro system stands as a symbol of innovation and performance. It's not just a technology, it's a driving philosophy, a commitment to delivering a dynamic and unforgettable journey on the open road.